I'm Anil Kumar. Let me first congratulate my student Dhruv for excellent performance. They are learning multiplying by powers of 10. Here are a few questions from the test paper, and we have few word problems also. You can pause the video, copy the questions, try them out, right? These are the word problems. I will do some of these questions and then we'll discuss them and also understand how to score like Dhruv. Okay, so here are a few questions from the test paper. They are regarding multiplication by powers of 10. So let's begin by multiplying 8.9 by 10, and then we have 5 more. Let me read them out for you first. The second one is 287.56 times 1000, 23 times 100, 99.44 times 0.01, 678.98 times 0.0001, and 1000 times 0.001. You can pause the video, answer the questions, and then check with my solution. Now, when we multiply by powers of 10, we basically move decimal either to right or to left. Now, if the answer is greater, the decimal point should be moved to right. If the answer should be smaller, especially when we are multiplying by smaller numbers like 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, smaller numbers. So in such cases, we move decimals to the left. So first, let's think where we should be moving decimal to. Multiplying by 10 means move decimal right. Multiplying by 1000 means move decimal right. By 100, decimal towards right. By 0.01, smaller, move decimal left, right? Smaller, left. So remember, to move decimal left, smaller, move decimal left, right? So moving decimal to left decreases the number. Moving decimal to right increases the number, right? So that is the first step when you look at the question. Straight away, think like this. Now, how much left and how much right? That's the next part. So when there is 10, that means one position. So we just move it one position to right and write down our answer. It'll be 89. Correct? Now here, 100 means two positions. We don't really have anything here. So what do we do for such things? For such things, you can rewrite the number. So we can rewrite 23 as 23 decimal, any number of zeros. Do you understand? You can do that. And then you can move the decimal higher number, moving right, two decimal places, 1, 2. So what do you get? You get decimal there. So your answer should be 2300, right? As you can see, multiplying by 100 makes this number so many hundreds, 2300, right? Multiplying by tens, 8 tenths. You see 8 is in tens place. So another thing is change in place value. That is another important thing which you should consider. Correct? Now next number, let's look at it. We are saying 287 point something times 1000. Answer should be 287,000 at least, right? Okay. Now here again, what you notice is that we do not have so many numbers. So you can think about rewriting this number also, but you can place it in mind. You can think like this, correct? 1000 means moving right 3 places. So from here 1, 2, 3, there it goes. You get 287 and then 560. So it is 287,000. Do you see? Point, you can write 0 if you want to. Correct. Now let's do these three. In these three, we are multiplying by numbers less than 1. 0.01 is 100th. 0.001 is 1000th. This is the 100th place and this is the 1000th place. It really means the number decreases. You have to move decimal left 2 places. So let's move it 2 places. It becomes 0.9944. It is good practice to write 0 before decimal. Okay, so that is your answer. This one, 1, 2, 3 places. So if there is no decimal, place a decimal. It is still 1000. 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So you get 1.0 as your answer. The 1000 times 1000th will give you 1, right, as expected. Now here in this question, We are multiplying by 1 in 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000th place. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places I have to move. I don't have zeros here, so let me add zeros here like this. And now I can move 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer is 0.06788. So that is how you can easily multiply by powers of 10 and max your paper, right? I hope it helps. Thank you and all the best. Congratulations to Dhruv once again.